we got monetized. Hey, don't skip the ads. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a very exciting one. Guys, we got monetized. I'm so excited. This journey has been amazing, it has been difficult, it has been exciting, it has been here and there, but guys, the amazing thing is the fact that you just get monetized. You just really forget about the whole stress and just be so happy. And guys, I'm so excited. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how long it took to get monetized, the tricks and the tips that I used. If there is any of them, I'm going to be telling you guys about all of those things. So if you want to know more about my monetization and how everything has been, please stay tuned and hit the subscription button down below. So loves, first of all, please acknowledge this beauty sitting in front of you. This is not easy. When you are watching my video, please don't skip the ads. Just allow the ads to play. Just allow the ads to play, okay? And as you allow the ads to play, you are supporting me in one way or another. So thank you so much for the future of you not skipping the ads. Thank you. Okay, let's just dive into the video. I got my monetization email. Got this email on the 11th of August 2021. This is a year 6 months since I started my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel in February 2020. I was in school then. I was in my final year. I just finished first semester. We were supposed to go home for second semester. We had just 1 month break. I was like, nah, I'm not going to go back. And I was still preparing for my professional exam. My professional exam was supposed to be by May. So I was like, I'm just going to stay in school. A friend of mine, or someone from church actually, she just graduated. Then I think she sent me a link telling me that she's in YouTube, and I was like, there's not this YouTube thing that I've been talking about that one day I'm going to do. But I was always waiting for the day I was going to get a camera. I felt you have to have a camera for you to start your YouTube channel, but no, she started with her phone. I was like, okay, that's nice, that's really amazing. And back then I was using an iPhone 6. I watched her videos and her video was good enough, something that I could still watch, though it was not perfect, but it was something that I could watch. So I think the next day or so, I carried my phone, I started filming. My first video did not come out so well because the video came out in a portrait mode, and YouTube supports landscape videos. Landscape videos are videos like the one you are watching, while portrait videos are the ones you see on Instagram or on TikTok, okay? So my video came out in a portrait mode, although I still uploaded the video, but the video is no longer on my channel. I deleted a couple of videos on my channel already, but we're going to get to that. But yeah, that's just how it started, and here we are today saying baba. We are grateful because we have been monetized, and I'm grateful to each and every one of you. Basically, I'm just going to tell you guys what monetization is about. Monetization is about making money from something you do. Let's say, for example, I sell this paper. If I give it to you, I dash it to you, I'm not monetizing it because it's for free. But if I give it to you and then you pay for it, I am monetizing in this paper. I am making money from this paper. So basically, my YouTube channel is now monetized. So any video I upload, I make money from the video. So basically, that's just what monetization is about. Right now, YouTube have 2 criteria you have to meet before you get monetized. The first criteria is to get 1,000 subscribers, and the second criteria is to get 4,000 watch time. Now, when I heard about this, I was like, okay, we can do this. This is not something too much. I was even scared of the 1,000 subscribers, and I left the 4,000 watch time. I was like, that is something I can make fast. I literally downplayed the 4,000 watch hour. I did not calculate it well. I did not know what 4,000 watch time was for YouTube. I was literally begging everybody to subscribe to my channel. In school, I told my classmates, told my friends, family, told people to help me post my link when I make a video here and there, so and so. And in October 13th, 2020, I got my 1,000 subscribers. In 8 months of YouTube, I got my first 1,000 subscribers. Before getting my first 1,000 subscribers, I already knew that the 4,000 watch time was the main thing to do. So I was really not focused on the subscribers. After getting like 500 to 600 subscribers, I now focused more on the watch time, which was really hard because you cannot be begging people to be watching your video. You can only post your link and then usually tell them to go and watch. If they don't watch, if they watch, it's really left to them. An email from YouTube on 11th of August 2021 telling me about my monetization, and after I got an email on the 11th of August 2021, I was supposed to go accept the monetization process. So I accepted did all those things. I waited for YouTube is supposed to go through my channel, check if I meet their guidelines, check if I accepted their terms and conditions, basically all those things that the company just supposed to process before accepting my monetization after they have sent me their email. So I did that on the 11th of August, and on the 12th of August I got another email telling me that my monetization has been accepted. And from that day onward, whenever I want to upload a video, I noticed that I could put ads on my videos, I could tell where the ads can be and where not to be and stuff like that, basically. And yes, and you can also see like the dollar sign on your YouTube studio telling you that okay, this is the amount you have made, and so on and so forth. And I just go into the tips and tricks. I don't really know if I'll call it tips and tricks, but this is just the first part should just be about monetization, and then the second part is just me telling you guys about how everything has been. Hopefully what I say here is going to help you in the future, okay, if you are a YouTuber and if you are trying to get monetized. Okay, so first things first, I really would advise you, if I could go back to those days, I really would not focus on getting my 1,000 subscribers fast. I would just focus on getting a good channel, focus on making a good video for my audience to watch, because the truth is that I have subscribers right now that are not really doing anything or adding anything to my channel. I think they just subscribe because I told them to subscribe, okay, because I told them that please subscribe, but really they are not using my channel for anything. So you should try and focus more on just creating valuable content, valuable videos for your subscribers, for your audience, and with time you are going to get those subscribers. Just if you even want to focus, guys, focus on the watch time, because really it's the watch time that matters. Even when you get monetized, the watch time is the thing that matters, not the subscribers. Okay, someone with less subscribers can still make more than someone with more subscribers. So focus more on the watch time, focus more on the content you create than the subscribers. Okay, so please subscribe. Just subscribe, okay? If you have been on this channel from day one, you know that I started my channel because of makeup, because of beauty, makeup tutorials and all. If I kept on doing makeup tutorials, I am sure, to be honest, I do not think I would have gotten monetized by now, because to be honest, again, makeup tutorials are the least videos on my channel. Makeup tutorials on my channel do not do so well, because I feel that there are lots of makeup artists right now on YouTube, lots of makeup videos on YouTube, and you will notice that the people that are doing well right now on makeup videos are those people that started from ages, but we are just starting. We really are not doing so well, especially on makeup tutorials. Okay, so if I just continue with my makeup tutorials, by this time I do not think I will be monetized, and that is why I had to venture into something else. I started vlogging. Guys, if you watch my first vlog on YouTube, if I go back to that business, I'll be like, should I delete this video or not? Oh, I will not delete the video, because when people go through my videos, they know that okay, this girl started from somewhere. Okay, she did not just start from 1,000 subscribers or 2,000 subscribers or 100k subscribers. Amen. I'm not saying that you should just come to YouTube and just do anything you want. No, to be honest, at that point I know that my video was not perfect, but I put in effort, I put in my time. I tried to learn how to edit. I tried to learn how to put my phone in a good angle. Just something to just help, okay? So anything that you're doing, even though it is not perfect, just put your efforts to it, okay? I think that's just basically what I am trying to say here, okay? Next thing I'm going to talk about is, if you are starting up your YouTube, if you are started your YouTube and you're just things, guys, just try to be yourself, okay? Let's say you are looking up to this person on your YouTube, you're looking up to this person on your as a YouTube idol or something like that, and then you want to just do everything the way this person is doing, talk the way this person is talking, make videos the way this person is making their videos. To be honest, people are going to detect that you are not yourself, and to some people that watch those other people's videos, they are going to know that you are trying to copy what this person is doing. Now, I am not saying that you should not learn. I'm not saying that you should not bring out some things or copy some things from that person. But what I'm trying to say is that do not do exactly what this other person is doing, because people are going to eventually find out. Okay, just try and do you. The funny thing is that at first you might not really see everybody you want, but trust me, on the long run, people are going to love your personality. Okay, everybody might not like your personality. I do not like everybody's personality on YouTube, okay, but there are people that are going to connect to you. So just do you, so that those people that will really connect to you will come, and you're going to have real subscribers. You're going to gain real community. You're going to get real subscribers, and not just those shallow ones. Okay, I learned everything about YouTube from YouTube. Yes, guys, I learned everything, almost everything about YouTube from YouTube. If there are, let's say, 1% out of the 100% I learned outside YouTube, but in 99% of everything I do on YouTube, I learned it from YouTube. So you see how powerful YouTube is. Okay, if you have been sleeping on YouTube, guys, don't sleep. If there is anything you want to learn, it is on this YouTube. Oh, just search it, you will see it, and be patient enough to learn. Okay, try to watch videos upon videos. If you do not have all the subscription in the world, do midnight subscription, guys. At that time in my life, I would try and sleep early, wake up in the middle of the night with my midnight subscription for YouTube. I start watching videos on how to edit, videos on how to basically blah 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 blah, everything. It was the night that I mostly do. Even when I was doing my makeup videos and I was watching live videos, how to do makeup and all of those things, I don't have so much money. I would still download her videos and watch offline, or when I'm awake at night, I would just be watching the videos because of I love these things and I want to learn them. So you would just have to sacrifice something before you get another thing. Okay, you know, somebody might ask me, how many videos am I posting? How many videos have I posted? I'm going to try and leave the numbers of videos I have currently, the numbers of views I've gotten, or all of those things before I got monetized. But I post videos once every week. If you can upload twice a week, at least upload once a week. At most, as much as you want, you should. Okay, but just stay consistent. Okay, do not say I'll upload today, after 1 month I'll not upload again. If you know that everything is too much, try and create in bulk. So just bring out a day, and before that day comes, try and find out the videos you want to do. Write down anything and all you want to write down. I wrote down this thing, I think on Thursday or Friday when I was at work. I was not doing anything. That's when I wrote down this thing, because I know that today I would just want to come and film and not really start writing or start researching again. Okay, if there's anything you want to research beforehand. Write down anything you want to do beforehand. Please, guys, there is something called copyright on YouTube, and when I started my YouTube channel, I did not know about copyright issues. They have copyright claims. I think I've deleted 4 or 5 or more than that, I am not sure, for my channel because of copyright claims. Don't use a song that has a copyright claim. Search on YouTube non-copyright music, you will see some. There are still other apps that have copyright, that have non-copyright music. I've heard of Epidemic Sound, although you have to pay. I do not know how much right now, but I think when I went to Epidemic, what I saw there was like, I'm not sure, I think 18,000 or so, but that is if you are not subscribed. Now when you get subscribed, you pay less, about 5,000 or 6,000, I am not sure. But one thing about Epidemics is that you have 1 month free trial before you start subscribing. Or if not, you go to YouTube, search, like I said, everything you want is on YouTube. Search on non-copyright songs and you will see non-copyright songs, non-copyright music, you will see them. Then just go through, look for the ones that you feel they are not perfect, the songs are not so exciting, they are not so wonderful, but just try and search as much as you can. You will see some of them that will suit your taste, and you just pick few of them. For me, vlogs are the kind of videos that need more songs. Sit down videos like this, you hardly listen to a song, or you just listen to like background tones and not really something serious. So if you are into vlogs, just try and search for songs. Okay, and if you have the money, you can go subscribe. In case I did not talk about the YouTube app I use to track my YouTube watch time, it's the YouTube tracker, that's the name. I use it to track my subscriber count and my watch time. That's where I got all these things from, though you can still see it from your YouTube studio when using your system. Okay, just go to monetization. When you go to your YouTube channel, go to your monetization, you will see how many subscribers you have and how many watch time you have. But if you cannot always be going to your system, that is something that I use on my phone, and it's free. Although if you want the paid version, you can also get the paid version and get like other things you can use, but I use the free version. Last thing, when I heard about YouTube monetization, from what is written, you are supposed to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time in a year. Okay, so at that point, after a year, I thought to myself, is it that when I want to get monetized, or my watch time of the last year is going to go away and I'm going to start afresh. But on my YouTube tracker, my watch time of the previous year was still there. It was still counting. Okay, the watch time did not go away, it was still counting. So I was like, is it that when I get to 4,000 subscribers, YouTube will now tell me that no, we cannot monetize you now because last year's watch time was not counted with the one of this year. So to be honest, I was confused. But as you can see, I got monetized. My watch time did not go. It was more than a year before I got my 4,000 watch time. Okay, but I got monetized. But then I got my 1,000 subscribers within a year. So now if you ask me, say that even if you don't get your 4,000 watch time in a year, you can still get monetized. As far as you do not abandon your channel and then after years you now come back. Maybe after years it might even work, I do not know. But I never abandon my channel. And I do go for breaks for my YouTube channel. That time, there was a time I was having an exam, I go for like a month break, weeks break. If you go for those few weeks break, you come back, you continue posting, okay? Those things are going to keep on counting. Like I said, I got my 4,000 hours of watch time in more than 1 year and I still got monetized. Although I got my 1,000 subscribers in less than a year. So maybe you might get one of the two in less than a year and then you can get the other one in another year. I do not know. But to be honest, just keep doing. Just keep doing. Even though you don't get your 1,000 subscribers in that year, keep doing. I do not think YouTube is going to now say, let them take those ones that have passed for that year and then no. Don't feel, okay, because I've not gotten to this thing and over a year, I'm not going to get monetized. No, just keep on doing, okay? Do not give up. If you want to take a break, if there is something that is coming up, don't kill yourself and say, okay, I must post, no. Just calm down, take your break, do what you want to do, go for that exam, take that break, just rest your head, come back if you want to, come back when you are done resting and come and face your channel, okay? Like I said, just do what you love. If you do what you love, you hardly take breaks because you know that, okay, I'm doing what I love and I'm still making money, okay? Yes guys, basically this is the end of our YouTube video. I hope I was able to answer a question. If you have any question, I hope I was able to answer your question. If you have any more questions for me concerning this YouTube monetization thingy, please leave that in the comment section down below and I am definitely going to answer your questions, okay? Please do not forget to subscribe. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you'd love to see next, give the video a thumb up and I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe, and please, I beg you, do not skip the ads, okay? Support your girl because the ads that you skip is hurting me, okay? So please don't skip the ads, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye guys.